So now let's see how to insert characters inside of Adobe Captivate. So inside of Adobe Captivate, if you go to media, you have this option called characters right over here. So let me just click on this, and once I click on this, you realize that I'm in the characters section right over here. So if this is your first time using the characters, then the software will prompt you to download the assets right over here. And then you'll have to download that asset, then install it, and you'll be able to access all of the characters. So over here on the left side, you can see that there's the category, and here you can select what kind of characters you want. Let's say, for example, I want casual characters right over here. So you can choose from different characters right over here. So these are like stock images that you can use to add in images to your project. So let's say I'm going to add in some characters right over here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to add this character right over here. So if I want the character pointing up, I can select this. Character pointing down, I can select this. And the character is in different poses, as you can see right over here, just like this. So let's say I want this character just like this. So I want this character right over here. So I can choose whether the character should be half, full, or close up, as you can see right over here. So I'm going to say this is going to be a full character, and then I can also choose to use a high resolution image right over here and press OK. So once I do that, the character is being inserted, and you can see that the character is here now. So I can add in another character right over here. So I'm going to go to media, and I'm going to go to character right over here. So this is going to be a casual character, and this is going to be a male character right over here. So now for the male character, I'm just going to go around here and then choose another pose right over here, as if the characters are talking with each other. So once I choose this, use a high resolution image right over here, and then I'm going to press OK right over here. So now two of the characters are here, as you can see. So what I simply want to do is flip this out now. So I want to flip this out. So I'm going to go to properties right over here. I'm going to edit the image and just flip this image out right over here. Press OK. And now they seem as if they're talking to each other. So I can just select both of them, resize them out right over here, or I can just drag this out right here, just like that, space them out equally, or maybe group them out. So I'm just going to group these out and resize them out as well. So they now seem as if they are talking to each other, just like this. So this is how you can utilize the characters inside of Adobe Captivate to visually represent many things. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.